Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to explain why I stopped trading meme coins and why I started launching them instead. Because I realized that in 2026, deving meme coins is far more profitable and way less riskier than trading. And I've personally made hundreds of thousands of dollars personally. And the crazy thing is, you don't need to be a coding genius to do exactly what I did. I'm going to show you the website that make this easy for anyone to start today. Just make sure you watch until the very end. Let's start it.
Before we start, make sure you watch till the end. I'll be dropping one SOL anywhere in the video. I've been able to make more than $1.6 million in 2026 launching meme coins. I can refresh this so you can see I'm legit. This is not to flex or anything, it's just so you can see that I know what I'm talking about. In this video, I'm going to explain everything. So how to get an idea for your meme coin, how to create a meme coin, how to create a liquidity pool, how to promote the meme coin, and of course, the most important part, how to profit from your meme coin launch. So let's do it. The first step, getting the idea for the coin, is without a doubt the most important step in this whole process. If the idea is good, GG, you got buyers, you make a profit. If the idea is bad, well, you get no buyers, which means no profit. This is really obvious, right? But I feel like people don't really spend too much time on this step, and then every launch they do is a complete fail because they don't understand that people don't want to buy unfunny coins. Even though in this space people buy anything, you still need at least a funny or cute meme, or else nobody will waste money on your coin. So how can we get an idea that can go viral? There's multiple ways you can do this, but I selected the three I like the most. So the first method is using Dex Screener. So in this page, what you want to do is simply analyze all the coins in here and try to create an idea that is around the same theme that is trending right now. So in my case, there's a lot of animal coins. So I could create something about cats, dogs, pigs, cows, whatever. And then to create an image, I can use Canva, or I could even use ChatGPT to generate the image for me. So this is the first method, but I'm going to be 100% honest. I don't think you should use this because if you still don't have a lot of experience in creating meme coins, you don't really know for sure yet what works and what doesn't, right? So I'd say this method is for when you have more experience in creating coins. But don't worry, because the next two methods are for people that have no experience in launching. So anyone can use them to start. So the second method is copying an existing trending coin. So what this means is you're going to look for coins that are trending but aren't really that big yet. So let's say 50, 100, or even $200,000 market cap, and you're going to get the name, symbol, description, socials, and image from that coin, and you're simply going to launch your own version of that coin. So basically this way you have an idea that is proof to work, and all you have to do is launch the coin. Of course, you can also modify the coin a little bit if you want, but if you don't really know what to change, you can also just use all the details from the original coin. It's completely fine. So the way we're going to do this is, instead of using Dex Screener, we're going to be using a platform like Axiom. So it can be Axiom, Photon, BullX, any platform that has this 3-section page, and you want to look at the migrated section. Make sure you don't have any filters on so you can see all the coins in here. So now just choose any coin you like that has a good market cap. So let's say this one, and copy the token address. Now go to explorer.solana.com, paste your address here, open this. So in this page, you basically have all the information about the coin you chose. And to get the image of the coin, just right click here, open image in new tab, and this way you have the exact image the original coin is using. So this method is great, it's way faster, and the chances of the coin failing because of the idea are way lower because you copied a coin that has already worked, so it can definitely work again. But even though this method is faster, it's definitely still annoying to get all the details and the image and all that. So this third method fixes that. You're still going to be copying a coin, but with just one click. What this means is you see a coin that you like, you click create, and boom, it's done. So to copy the coin automatically, go to this website called solanatokenlabs.io and go to this trending tokens page. So in here, you have a list of a bunch of trending coins. So just choose the one you like the most and hit create token. This takes us to the next step, creating the meme coin. So this is where most people get completely lost because there's so many options. There's Pump.Fun, Boop, Bonk, LaunchLab, the list goes on. Now, the issue with all of these platforms is that all of them control the liquidity of the coin, not you. So when you create a coin, you have no control over your own coin. And this limits a lot the amount of profit you can make. So in my opinion, stay away from these platforms. The other issue with these platforms is that there's hundreds of coins being launched in these platforms. It's completely insane. If you launch on here, the chances of your coin succeeding are very, very low. So I really don't recommend it. So the other option is using Radium. Now, this platform fixes all the issues I just mentioned. So there's way less competition because it's a bit more complicated to launch. But with the tool I showed you, Solana tokenlabs.io, it really isn't super complicated. I'd say anyone can do it. Radium also fixes the issue with the liquidity, so you control the liquidity. You have full control over it. So in my opinion, Radium is a much better option. Also, if you do decide to not copy a coin and instead you want to create your own custom coin, that's completely fine as well. You can do this in the create token page on Solana tokenlabs.io. Connect your wallet. You'll get a pop-up asking for authorization. Just click confirm and you're in. Next, we move to filling in the token details. I'm naming this Uno reverse card and shortening it to URC to keep it catchy. Download the logo of the meme you're going to use for your meme coin. I've already downloaded mine and resized it in Canva. The required size is 500 by 500. Hit next and keep going. When you reach the token settings page, don't touch anything. It's already perfectly configured. You want that full 1 billion token supply. We'll need it later. For the description, you can write whatever you want. Just click continue and move forward. Now you'll see the option to add social media links. You can skip this part. I always do. It's never been a problem with Radium launches. Just turn off that toggle and skip it. The next thing asks if you want to add creator info and a project website, but it costs 0.1 Solana. Honestly, it's not worth it. Just toggle it off and keep your soul. Skip it and move on. Now comes one of the coolest features, custom token addresses. Solana tokenlabs.io lets you add endings like pump or moon to your token's address. It makes it look like it launched through Pump.Fun, which helps build trust, attract buyers, and boost early hype. However, if you put moon or pump as a suffix with 4 letters, it will take around 20 minutes to update on the site. If you want to avoid a long wait, just add PM or MO, like 2 letters in small caps. After that, you'll see 3 toggle switches. This part is super important. Make sure every single one stays turned on. If you turn off revoke freeze, it means you can freeze trading anytime, which is a big red flag. If you turn off revoke mint, it means you can mint unlimited tokens, another huge red flag. If you turn off revoke update, it means you can change the contract whenever you want, massive red flag. Serious investors notice these things right away. If they see anything disabled, they'll run. So leave all the toggles on and click create token. Your wallet will pop up asking for final approval. Confirm it with 1 click and boom, your token is officially live on Solana, but it's still not live because we still need to create a liquidity pool. So for this step, click create liquidity at the top of the website and you'll be redirected to Radium. Make sure your wallet is connected, then click create. Select standard AMM from the pool options. Click the token selector, go back to Solana tokenlabs.io and copy your token address. Paste that address into Radium's search box and add your token details. For this demo, I'm using URC as the symbol and Uno reverse card as the name. Click add user token, then select it again. We'll supply 900 million tokens out of 1 billion total and pair it with Solana. Since you're the first liquidity provider, you can max out safely. Just subtract the 0.3 SOL fee first. Set the fee tier to 0.25%, review everything, and click initialize liquidity pool. Once confirmed, your pool is live and the coin is tradable. We still need to promote our meme coin or else we're not going to have many buyers. So to do this, there's multiple ways. The first one is using deck screener ads. So basically, your coin would show on the top of this list on Dex Screener. This is really good because not only do you get a bunch of eyeballs on your coin because there's millions of people using this site, but you also get credibility because when people see a coin in here, they trust it way more. But sadly, not everything is perfect with this method because the main issue with this is that it's very expensive. The promotion costs $300, which if you're just starting out, it's not exactly cheap, but we have another way which is free, but it requires a bit more work. That way is promoting the coin on social media. So you can go on platforms like Twitter, Reddit, Telegram, Discord, all of those, and simply post your coin there. It's not really the best way, but it works now. This can also be done automatically, which honestly, it's much better than manually posting the coin to do that. We can use a tool like Pump.Fun. Forget about wasting hours manually posting. Pump.Fun gets you instant exposure on Dex Screener, GMGN, and Bird Eye automatically. Let's do it live. Connect your Phantom wallet, paste your token address, and choose your promotion. I'm going with the advanced 0.5 SOL option for maximum reach. Toggle include free website. Upload your logo, set your token name. I'll call this reverse card. Select Radium and hit confirm. Click pay and promote. Approve the transaction and you are done. Now just watch. It's creating a professional website and promoting your token to thousands of traders at the same time. Boom, website ready. In seconds, you have a live landing page with tokenomics and real-time chart links ready for investors. I'll catch you back here in a bit to check the numbers once the promotion is done. For the next 3 hours, our coin will be getting promoted and we just have to wait and see what results we get. I'll pause the recording and be back once the promotion is done. Okay, so are you ready? 3, 2, 1. GG, $137,000 market cap. This is moving so fast. This is absolutely insane. So that's the thing. If you combine a good idea with a good promotion tool, reaching these market caps on every single launch becomes completely possible. But now the most important part, how do we profit from this launch? Well, that's the interesting part. Go back to Radium, ensure your wallet is properly connected, and press the portfolio button at the top. There is your current position, profit time. First, click the minus symbol, then push that slider to 100%. As you guys can see, we are now up $20,880 in official profits. Ignore everything except the SOL value. I'm going to receive around 235 SOL, choose remove liquidity and approve. There it is, confirmation received and money in hand. That's exactly how you dev meme coins and make more money than anyone in 2026. If I open my Phantom wallet for proof, you can see that we just received around $20,000, which is like 235 SOL. You guys can see it right here. Even though the market is down, we still made money, bro. Before you go and start building, I want to give one of you a head start. I'm giving away 1 SOL to 1 person to help cover your first deployment costs. Here is how to enter. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like this video. Drop a comment below with the word RugPull. I'll be picking the winner in exactly 48 hours. I'm announcing it on my Telegram channel. Make sure you follow because without following, you won't be eligible to receive any SOL coins. I regularly post lots of giveaways there, so don't miss out.